Alrighty guys, welcome back to the best investing money management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how to make a whopping $500 per month from dividend investing. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe. If you have any questions, ask them down in the comments. So now guys, let's roll the intro and jump into this thing. Come on, man. So now before we actually teach you how to make a whopping $500 per month, first we need to understand what a dividend is. Now for those of you that don't know what a dividend is when a company makes so much money, they will pay you to hold their shares. They make so much money, they will pay you, which is crazy. So the beauty of dividend investing, it's a way to create a passive income stream. It's an income stream that you don't have to worry about. It's an income stream that you don't have to actively watch. And in my personal opinion, it's a great way to start compounding your money, compound interest. So now that we understand what a dividend is, how can you start? So the very first thing you guys will need is a broker. So personally, I think when you sign up for a broker, you're gonna need a couple of things. So the first thing I need is I want a mobile app. I definitely think a mobile app is definitely the way to go. And like 99.9% of these brokers have apps. I personally just think it's way easier to manage your money, so you don't have to go to like a desktop or a computer, and it's all on your phone and you can take it anywhere. The second thing that you guys are gonna need, you're gonna want a broker that offers DRIP. So DRIP is what you call dividend reinvesting. Personally, this is the way to make money. You sign up for DRIP. So what this is gonna do is all of these dividends you get, you're gonna take them and buy more stock. And then you're gonna get more dividends, and then you're gonna get more dividends and more dividends. So you're starting this snowball effect, and then before you know it, you are making so much money hand over fist, and you're just taking it, reinvesting it back into the company, and then getting more and more and more and more. So the brokers that I recommend, the very first one is M1 Finance. M1 Finance is the best broker for dividend investing. It offers pie investing, it offers DRIP, it offers a whole bunch of fantastic accounts like Roth IRAs, traditional IRAs, taxable brokers accounts, and it's just the best platform for dividends. And another fantastic thing that M1 Finance has is if you have a hard time picking and choosing stocks, they have a whole bunch of stocks that you can just buy that they recommend. It's fantastic. So the second broker that I recommend is Thinkorswim, also known as TD Ameritrade. This one is fantastic. This one has a little more intrusive charts. So if you're more into looking at support resistance, having some moving average lines and studies, this is the route to go. It also has a ton of fantastic stock scanners and criteria. It's a fantastic platform. It also has the exact same investment accounts like traditional brokers accounts, both the IRAs, and it's fantastic. So now the next thing that you're gonna need to know how to do is to find stocks and opportunities. So there's a couple of things. There's something called a dividend aristocrat and a dividend king. These are must-knows for dividend investing. Now a dividend aristocrat is a company that's been paying a dividend for more than 25 years, which is such a long time. And the beauty of this is companies don't have to pay dividends. They really don't. They can shut them down at any time. But a dividend aristocrat, these stocks, these companies value dividends. They understand their investors are investing in the company because they believe in the company and they want those dividends. Now to take it up a notch, there's something called a dividend king. Now a dividend king is very similar to a dividend aristocrat, but it's been paying a dividend for more than 50 years. 50 years is a long time, let me tell you that. So you understand when you invest in a company that's a dividend king, you understand that company is saying, hey, we've been paying a dividend for 50 years, growing this dividend year after year after year. So we understand we're not gonna close this dividend unless something crazy happens with the company. So these are the stocks that I would highly recommend. Companies like Coca-Cola, companies like Lowe's, companies that value those dividends. But if you have a hard time picking and choosing different dividend stocks, don't worry, there's a whole bunch of fantastic ETFs that have a whole bunch of fantastic stocks in it. Some of them even have dividend kings, dividend aristocrats. One of my favorite ones here is ticker symbol VIG. This is Vanguard's Growth Dividend Appreciation ETF. It has a whole bunch of fantastic companies in it, and you know they're not gonna close shop anytime soon. Now that we know what a dividend is, now that we know the broker to choose, now that we know how to find stock, what is the next step? Well, the next step is very, very simple. It's consistency. With dividend investing, the most important thing with it is being consistent, right? It's very similar to going to the gym. If you go to the gym one time, you're not gonna get in shape. If you go 2 times, you're not gonna get in shape. But if you go on a weekly basis, every week, you will get in shape. It's very, very similar to dividend investing. You have to invest consistently. Personally, I invest on a weekly basis. I find it very, very simple. You can automate everything so you don't even have to see the money come out. Right when you guys get paid, automate it right to your broker's account. It's that easy and it will start investing for you. And the 5th and final thing is to start now. There is never a good opportunity and a good time to start. The saying I always say is time in the market is better than trying to time the market. Let that sink in. So guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it on how to make a whopping $500 per month from dividend investing. And I guarantee if you guys do this correctly, with all those steps, you will make a lot more than $500. So guys, we will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. We will see you guys later. Take care.